How to add a video background banner to Shopify homepage with Autoplay. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a amazing video banner like this on your Shopify homepage. Not only will I show you guys how to create a video banner that autoplays without any buttons, but I'll also show you guys how you can make it a transparent header and how you can integrate that and make your Shopify store look more seamless and more well designed. So let's get into it. Now, to get started on our Shopify store, I'm going to be customizing this store, and I'll show you guys first how to change this to a video, and how after the video part, I'll show you guys how to make the header part transparent. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, we are going to go on ahead and go into our Shopify store. And once we go into our Shopify store, we are going to click on content on the left. Once you click on content, you're going to click on files. Now, once you click on files, you're going to click on upload files, and you can upload the video file that you want to use. I'll be using the video file that I just showed you guys. I'll be using this one over here, and you're just going to upload that over here. So once you have uploaded that content file, that is all you have to do for now. Now, in the next step, what you're going to do is you're going to click on online store, and then you're going to create a duplicated version. I'll be customizing this one over here, and you can create a duplicated version of your store to keep in case you make any mistakes. You always have the pre-existing version of your Shopify store to get back to. Now, once you have uploaded your media or your video file in your content section, go into your online store, and then over here, you're going to click on these three dots and then click on edit code. Now, once you click on edit code, you're going to find a bunch of different folders. Just close those up. And once you click on these folders, you have a few different names. Click on the sections folder. And once you click on the sections folder, click on add a new section. Once you click on add a new section, a dialog box will appear. In this, you're going to keep it selected at liquid. You want to make sure that it's selected at liquid, and you're going to enter the file name of background dash video. Once you add the file name background dash video, click on done. Now, once you create this file, a simple file will open up with a little bit of code. So you're going to remove this code, just select all of it, and then click on delete. Once you've done that, you're going to open up this code over here. So this is a 800 line code, and I will leave a link in the description box down below from where you can copy this code. One thing to note is that a lot of people make this mistake, and that is why their code does not work, and that is because they don't copy the entire code. So if you copy it like this and you end up missing any section like this, so if you copy it like this and you ended up skipping on this and you ended up skipping, the first bracket, that is going to not make the code work. So make sure you're copying from the first line and then scroll to the bottom and make sure you're copying it all the way throughout the 859th line. So copy it from there, and then in the new section file that you created called background-video.liquid, you're going to just paste that code. So once you have pasted this code over here, you're going to click on save on the top right. Now, once you've done that, you're going to click on exit. And now, once you click on exit, click on customize on your Shopify store. Now, once you click on customize, you have your basic Shopify store editor. And on the left, you have your page builder. Now in this, click on add section. And then once you scroll to the bottom, you will actually see a new option appear, which is called video background. You're going to click on video background over here, and then click on video slide. Once you click on video slide, this will show an option to add a video link on the top left. Now you're going to go into your Shopify, content, and then files, and then from here, copy the link on the right side of your uploaded video file. Then go into your Shopify store and then paste that link over here. Now, once you paste that link, your video will appear. Now, you also can insert some text. Let's say I want to add shop our winter collection like this. And then I can choose to, customize the appearance of the bottom text, but I don't want any text on the bottom, so I will customize it like so. And then after we have done that, we can also go on ahead and choose to, cut the heading instead, just add it in the description section. And then once you add it in the description section, you can actually alter it to be a heading as well. And you can customize the text color from here as well. So if you click on the text color, let's say I want this to be in white, I can convert it to white over here like this. Now, once we have done that, we can also add a button over here and we can create our own button link to any section we want, but I don't want any. And then once I've done that, I can go on ahead and move this video section by holding it from the left and move it to the top of the template section, and this will appear as our top section in our Shopify store. Now, one thing to note is that when you do this, you do have to keep in mind that your section is going to appear as a normal video banner. But how can you extend this homepage section as a transparent header? So if you want to take your Shopify store one step further, and you want this video to be all the way to the top of your Shopify store, go ahead and exit again, and then go ahead and click on Edit Code. So you're going to click on Edit Code over here. And once you click on Edit Code, you're going to go into the files and search for theme.liquid. Usually you're just going to find it on the top left. It's the third or fourth option. And once you go into theme.liquid, click on the code and then click on Command F or Control F if you're on a Windows device. Type in /body, and this is usually located at the end of your code. Once you do that, you're going to click on the code and then place your cursor right behind this line. And then once you've placed your cursor, just click on return a couple of times. And then you're going to copy this code. So I will leave a link to this code as well, and make sure to copy it properly. As I told you guys previously, make sure to copy each and every single bracket or dot there is, and then click on paste over here. Make sure that this code is added before the body section, not after the body section. So this should be present before the body section. Once you've done that, click on Save and then click on Preview Store. And now, as you guys can see, our header has become transparent and our video extends all the way to the top of our Shopify store. And in this way, you can get started with customization of your Shopify store. Now, I don't want my header to be a drag and drop header. So to customize this further, I can go ahead and click on Customize on my Shopify store. And once I click on Customize, I can go on ahead and click on the header section. And then I will add the sticky header to none, and then I will click on uncheck the show separator line. So the line that separates this banner from the section is removed, and then I can just click on save, and now it's going to look a whole lot more seamless. So now if I click on preview, you guys can see that little line is removed and our header no longer scrolls down with us. So in this way, you can make a video banner on your Shopify homepage, as well as make it with a transparent header as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.